Today I'm going to be reviewing iPaw's Daily Probiotic with my little friend here. She already wants some. My little friend, Miley. I'd like to thank iPaw for sending this to me to review. First of all, before we go any further, these are made in the USA. Each serving gets 120 million CFUs. And this is going to help a dog's digestive system. This is what it looks like right there, real tiny. Let's see if she likes it. All right, I think she likes it. That duck flavor, how could you not? You get 90 of those in each container. This does have the quality seal from the National Animal Supplement Council. No synthetic colors, no artificial flavors or preservatives. Also, this is an Amazon choice. This gets 4.3 stars. I normally like to see 4.4, but this is close enough. I'm not seeing that they're getting returned. So if you're looking for a probiotic, this is a perfect option. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.